Hi all and welcome to Life with Jimple. So today I'm here to explore the Decathlon store. Decathlon, as everyone knows, it's a French retailer company which takes care of all your sports requirement, your sportswear, sports equipment, anything you need since 130 cities. So cities like places like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Uttarakhand, Goa, Delhi, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, to name a few. So yes, we are here to explore this one. ये पहले यहीं पे था पीछे की तरफ, बट अभी उन्होंने पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्म करके इसको नया कंस्ट्रक्ट करके बनाया है. सो वी आर हेयर टू एक्सप्लोर दिस कुड बी अ यूजफुल वीडियो फॉर यू इफ you have any sports requirement, and anything related to your workout also you'll get here. So this store is in Budigere Cross, which is at Old Madras Road, which connects you to Bangalore Airport. So let's go and explore the Budigere Cross Bangalore Decathlon outlet. So let's go check out what's in store for us. So someone who's interested in badminton, they have a good range of rackets and shuttlecocks over here. So this is the beginner racket collection. It starts from 299. So it's written here, it's the beginner collection. And skate shoes, and the company name is Oxelo. 1799 is the price, and nice colors. They have blue, pink, purple. You can see cream and orange as well. So अच्छा variety है इन लोग के पास. अगर आपका कोई भी requirement है ऐसा, so you can definitely come here or any Decathlon store close to you. So this is the kids section, sportswear for kids. If you need anything sportswear, it is. They have caps also, good variety of caps. The prices range is $399, and they have a lot of colors. So yeah, this is the t-shirts are around $799. That's the price. They have small rackets also for kids. It's $299. Lowest price, best value. So that is what Decathlon guarantees you. Nice balls, nice colors they have, and it's Kipstar. चाहिए Costco. I used to play a lot with Costco ball. So yeah, Tango is the company, made in India.
Yeah, nice.
Huge store. You need at least 1 to 2 hours to explore everything. They have these rings also, sports ring. और यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज चल रहा है. This is the gym workout collection they have. These are the hand grip rings. इसमें भी कलर है जैन के पास. And the price is $299. So this is what Shambhu has bought. This is a sports t-shirt and it's a cotton t-shirt. Very comfortable. आप रात को भी इसको पहन के सो सकते हो. And the price is just $399. They have a lot of colors. This is a new color, blue, black, and this one. So yes, it's a nice buy. Comfortable है. In fact, अभी जो उसने पहने हैं वो भी Decathlon से ही लिया था. So yes, you get good comfortable stuff from here. बहुत क्यूट कलेक्शन है यहाँ पर सॉक्स का. You get high length, mid length and low length socks over here. और काफ़ी सारे कलर्स हैं इसमें. Nothing more you can ask for. The store has everything under one roof. So see, they have men's sportswear over here जहाँ पर आपको shorts, t-shirts, you know, the jerseys you get, everything is here. And you can choose your color the way you want it. Wow, I think ये तो section सबको पसंद आएगा shoes का. So they have this shoe collection and the prices vary. It can 3,500, 2,500, 1,600, depends. And yes, the women section. Again, you get t-shirts for $199, $499.
Please take one.
And sweatshirts, sweatshirt. You get nice bottoms over here. I think this is cotton. Yes, this is cotton, and the price is sportswear, workout, gym. So काफ़ी comfortable stuff है. Cute kid stuff. So definitely if a girl child at home तो उसको भी लेके आए. और वहाँ पर भी women's collection है. More sports upstairs. Wow, they have this. वैसे ये पीना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि this is on high on sugar content. So this is the camping stuff.
$599.
Foldable, you can carry it with yourself in the car. The price is, so this is the collection for jackets. Amazing collection they have. आपको किसी हिल स्टेशन पे जाना है या फिर ट्रैकिंग पे जाना है, so it's a very nice collection they have. This is a waterproof jacket. This one, and the price is $12.99. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. See, you can sleep inside literally. It's just that spacious. And it will cost you around $4,599. They have a 5-year warranty for this. It's very, very spacious. This is the stylish swimwear for both men and women. And price range.
Come on, Nova. Come on.
this we are planning to buy. This is 110 kgs camping chair, and it will cost around 550 for one chair. Yeah, nice color. ये दोनों को. Yeah,
कौन सा वाला?
this color is good.
एक ये लेते एक ये लेते
हाँ ठीक है. लेफ्ट जाएंगे तो एयरपोर्ट की तरफ चले जाएंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग बैक नाउ. सब कुछ मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. इन जनरल ऑल्सो हाँ आ सकते हैं. करेक्ट. और अभी काफ़ी अच्छा बना दिया है. सो हमने जो लिया है दैट दोज आर 2 कैंपिंग चेयर्स. तो आप ट्रैक पे जाए या कैंपिंग के लिए जाए या माउंटेन्स पे जाए तो वो बहुत काम आता है. इट्स ईजिली फोल्डेबल और बहुत ईजी है यूज़ करना. So yeah, we got it for like 550 for one chair, and there is no discount. It's the same price.
And it can hold up to 110 kilo one chair. वैसे देखने से नहीं लगता, but it's pretty robust.
Correct. And they also have chairs which can hold up to 150 kgs. So everything they have, you name it, and they have it under one roof. So I hope this video is useful for you. You can visit any Decathlon store near you. You can go to their website and see which is the closest Decathlon store near to your place. They are in more than 130 cities now, and across the world, of course. It's a French retailer. So yes, we explored Decathlon today. So if you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon in the next video, and that's going to be a travel vlog. So yes, I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.